Hello friends, I am very selfish one, which thinks only about myself. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am we. I am two-letter word. We shows togetherness.
Hello friends, I am Ego. I am three-letter word. Ego is the most dangerous word that can break relationship.
Hello friends, I am love. I am a four-letter word, essential for every relationship.
Hello friends, I am Smile. I am a five-letter word. A smile makes you beautiful, so always smile.